Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment specializes in professional sewer repair services in Los Gatos, California 95032, handling blockages, cracks, and broken pipes with precision and expertise. Our experienced technicians utilize state-of-the-art technology to identify and fix sewer issues, ensuring efficient, lasting repairs. With a commitment to customer satisfaction, we offer prompt service, clear communication, and preventive solutions to keep your plumbing running smoothly. From root intrusions to pipe corrosion, our team provides tailored sewer repair services to address any problem. For trustworthy sewer repair in Los Gatos, California 95032, choose Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment for dependable results. Contact us today, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a sewer repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What sewer repair services are offered by Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Los Gatos, CA? We provide comprehensive sewer repair services, including trenchless repair, sewer line replacement, pipe relining, and emergency repairs for Los Gatos residents. How do I know if my Los Gatos home needs sewer repair? Warning signs include slow drains, foul odors, gurgling sounds in pipes, or damp patches in your yard. We offer professional inspections to confirm the issue. What is your sewer repair service office for Los Gatos, California? Our local sewer repair service office have served the areas of Los Gatos, Capitola, Los Angeles, Rubidoux, Terrace, Pedley, Bloomington, Glen, Avon, Colton, Mira, Loma Linda, Fontana, Rialto, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Norco, California. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment office? We are located at 820 Bay Avenue, Suite 221, Capitola, California 95010, United States. Our phone number is 831-744-7215. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Capitola Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/